With the launch of Norwich City Council's new website, Norwich are placing emphasis on the MyAccount functionality available within Jadu Continuum, which through a homepage dashboard draws data from back-office systems, providing residents with a view of their online forms, balances, payments, and any other service requests made on any device. Content can also be personalised as the dashboard is built by you with widgets, meaning you can surface more content, keeping things current. MyAccount personalised data and dashboard with Jadu Continuum.